Okay, I'm back and just taking a look at what we've done in the last session. Um, we are working in Chapter 17, creating images for the web, and now we're working on this button. And I noticed as I looked at my button, and I have got, you'll notice also that I have that particular layer highlighted, and I got the move tool and was moving it around to see how it was positioned relative to size and actual positioning of the one in the example, and I see that it's really too large. So I was going to just go ahead and change it and then get back to you, but I think I'll have you stay with me while I change the size as well, just in case this kind of thing happens to you. You just want to make sure that that quick gift layer is highlighted, and then we're going to go up under Edit and down to Transform, and I think I'll just do a free transform. That gives me the ability to either do a number of things. I can rotate it, I can squeeze it in, I can make it thinner, which is, I'm just going to change that in terms of this particular size it looks like. And then I would double click to accept that transformation. Whoops. And then I am going to click and drag that down. I'm going to lock this, turn it off so I can grab this without grabbing anything else, and move it down. Still looks like it might be just a slight bit wider than this one. So again, I'm going to go up to Edit, and I'm going to go to Free Transform, and I'm just going to click and drag this up just a tiny bit more so it's a little bit less in terms of the size. And I'm going to click and drag that down as well. Alright, so now what I've done is resized that button, and then we're going to go over and add some type to it. Alright, I thought we were here. Let's see where it is. Done this. So here we are going to add type to this button. So we're going to get the horizontal type tool on the type panel, and we are going to click on the button on the tools panel, not on the type panel. And then we're going to set the color, and we wanted it the same maroon color, and I think when I'd left you the last time, I was trying to figure out what that mine is showing in as blue, and I may have inadvertently changed that color or previous to this when I was working with this exercise. But I think instead what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to select that. I'm going to go in here, and all I did was I got the type tool and I triple clicked in between two letter forms here on shopping heat, whatever that is, shopping something, and shopping heaven, sorry. And then I'm going to go up here to this blue fill color, and I'm going to pick up this color instead, and I think I'll see what that color looks like. Oh, still not the same color, and I think that actually their color does show up a little bit better, so I'm going to do that again. I'm going to click on this color. Well, a little bit better. Again, not quite the same value. Let's see what it looks like over here. Now it's got more red in it. Just bear with me while I try a couple of these colors to see which one I think shows up a little bit better. Let's try this one, and you'll see that as soon as I have this dialog box open, if I go into my image, it automatically changes to an eyedropper. And so I'm going to eyedrop, I've just eyedropped a few of these colors to see which one is nearest to what they're looking for. No, not here either. Not there. I had it close, but Okay, I'll just stay with that one. All right, so we are going to then, we've selected the text color, and I dropped some of the color, not the maroon, but a more of a deeper purple than that. And so we're going to go back here, we're going to set the font family list arrow, and then we're going to click Arial Regular. So we're going to go up here to Arial Regular. It's Arial Black Regular. Let's see if I have just Arial Regular. There it is up at the top. And then the size is going to be 18 points. And we're going to get the character panel and look for the small caps button. We go under Window and down to Character, bring up the character panel. And we're going to make sure the small caps button is selected, which it is. And then we're going to type Quick GIF. I'm again going to get the move tool, and I'm going to just move this over. Yeah, whatever. All right, so you'll see that when I typed that Quick GIF, that was also included in the rest of the type layer. I don't want it there. I want it outside the type layer, which is this group, just simply because I want to be able to move it on its own. Now, if I get this, hopefully this is going to allow me to just click and drag to position that outside the realm of positioning these on these other layers. So I can highlight that. I can select the text again. And then I want that same color as the Shopping Heaven. So I'm going to go up here and click on this little color bar, get the eyedropper, and then click OK. And then you can do, and what they did in order to move theirs is they converted it to Smart Object. I don't really like to do that because I want to be able to change that as type if I need to at some point in time. So I'm going to do a Command or Control S, and that will be the last demo for this, actually for this chapter. And if you have any additional questions, make sure and let me know, and I'll be happy to do another demo. Thanks. Talk to you later.